What is going on, y'all? It's your boy Mikey back at it with another video. As you can tell right here, I got some new pickups for the spring/summer. I'm excited to show you guys what I picked up. Been away for a while. As you can tell, I took a quick vacation to VA. I went to round 2. I picked up some stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. As you can see, the store is pretty dope. Shout out to Bucky. He looked out for me at round 2, me and the homies. But yes, let me show you guys what I picked up recently in my recent pickups. So I got a nice gray hoodie. This is round 2 right here. Round 2. It's a Champion hoodie, so you can tell right here by the Champion logo right there. But yes, it's a nice hoodie for the spring summer. This is one of my grabs I picked up. So this is pretty much what I picked up at round 2. I wasn't able to pretty much grab anything I like. I wanted to get a pair of kicks. I had talked to them about some Supreme up tempos that they have for a solid price. Try to see if I could negotiate a little bit, but it wasn't happening. They had some nice stuff there. I really like the store, the whole atmosphere around 2. It's a dope experience. If you're in the VA area or want to go to a nice sneaker store, check out round 2. I'll also leave a link in the description down below. They also have a YouTube channel and also their Instagram. It's a really nice store. I felt like a kid again in a candy store. And I'm most definitely seeing all types of retro Jordans, pretty much memorabilia of Jordan, posters, Wheaties boxes, toys and action figures, pretty much. Also Space Jam stuff there too. Felt like I said, I felt like a kid again. You know, most definitely seeing stuff like that I had when I was a kid and when I was younger. So what I picked up recently from Supreme, surprised I actually got it. One of my last orders from Supreme got canceled. The Prodigy tee from Supreme that got canceled somehow, some way, but okay. So let me show you guys what I picked up. So what I grabbed was pretty much the North Face Supreme t-shirt. Got the North Face and Supreme there on the front, as you guys can see here. Got the North Face Supreme in the back as well. This is outside the plastic because I was going to wear this the other day for my girlfriend's birthday. Wasn't feeling it with the outfit that I put together with it, so I haven't worn it yet, so just tried it on. It fits really nice. It fits a little bit more snug than any other Supreme shirt. Like this one I have on here, the necklace tee. It's a little tighter around the arms. I'm not sure if it's your boy been going to the gym, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's a little bit tighter. Most definitely will be throwing that in rotation. It's nice to have for the spring and summer.
Yeah, your boy, you see them games? You see them games? Yeah.
But yeah, moving on. What I got right here, Nike box. So I got a Nike box right here. Let me show you what I got here. When I was down in VA, these dropped. So these are the Air Max 97 Silver Bullet Vapor Max right here. These retail for $190. They're probably going right now for like $220, $250. When I was in VA, these dropped. I wasn't able to get them. I went all over the stores. I went to round 2. They didn't have them. At Foot Locker, it's nothing. When I was out in Virginia Beach, they didn't have these out there. I was fortunate enough they had these here in Connecticut, so I was able to hit up my cousin John and grab these for me. Shout out to John for grabbing these for me while I was away on vacation. But yes, these are the Silver Bullet Vapor Max. Man, I love this shoe, bro. This is like the 2 best combinations that Nike could have done with a shoe for someone like me. I love the Silver Bullet. You know, I had the Silver Bullets already. Those got beat up, so I had to get rid of them. But yes, to have these come back out, plus have the Vapor Max, these are a lot more comfortable. So I undead stocked these a couple days ago. You can see little creases and whatnot in them. But I'm also going to give you an on foot of these. But yes, these came out at the perfect time. Perfect time. I was well overdue for these. So moving on here, what I got is the last box. You guys pretty much already tell what recently dropped. Your boy had to get on with my pack. If you follow me on Snapchat, you know I've been snapping the shoe like crazy. But so your boy got the Shadow Ones. So I grabbed these when I was away in VA. I wasn't able to get them for retail. The Foot Locker app crashed on me. My countdown started. I had a 6-minute head start. As soon as it started, it told me to update the app.
How? How y'all do that?
So it told me to update the app. I wasn't fortunate enough to grab a pair in VA. So I had to go onto my Facebook pages, see if I grabbed someone locally or someone while I was away to ship these to me. But yeah, I was able to grab someone. I grabbed these for $220. It's pretty much a resale market on these. The leather on these are A1. I'm not gonna say what kind of quality they are, but they are really nice and buttery. You can't go wrong with having these pair in your rotation, especially for the spring or summer. You know what I mean? Those late nights when you want to go out, just throwing a simple shoe to go with anything. Shadow 1s be the go-tos. It's most definitely gonna be a rotation. Without further ado, let me get on to the on foot and on body. Once again, I would like to thank you guys for watching my video. It's your boy Mikey. I appreciate the love I get all over social media from you guys and all the support. Shout out to my subscribers. You guys are A1. But yes, your boy is back. Holla at your boy. Bonus.